What's going on, everybody? Nick here, Go Crazy Pulls. Back with another rookie card exposure box, limited batch volume 32 by Filmington. Awesome box, bunch of awesome packs this month, as always. Let's get into it. A late night at work, came home to find this waiting for me. So I thought I'd dive right in. Get some of these peanuts out of the way, get to the packs. Right. There we go. Alright, our pack lineup this month we've got 2004 Top Series 1 for Yachty and Greinke. 14 draft. I mean, a ton of guys in that. Flaherty, Verdugo, Turner, Chris Bryant, Chapman. 2015 update, Lindor, Correa, Gallo. 18 update, Otani, Soto, Acuna. 19 high number, Tatis, Vlad, Eloy, Pete Alonso. 2020 Chrome, of course, Bichette, Robert, Jordan Alvarez. Same with this 2020 Series 1, Bichette, Lux, Alvarez. 2020 Series 2, looking for that Robert. And then 2021 Bowman. Of course, we know who's in there. There is the information where you can find this box. He hasn't had any one-time purchases, just subscriptions. His subscriptions he posts on the website about 11:40 like Eastern time, like the 30th or 31st, the last day of the month, like going into the new month. So let's jump right in with the 04 tops. Hoping to find a Yachty rookie. Be fantastic. Little stickage. So we've got Mike Hampton, Braden Looper, Marcus McBeth, Mike Cameron, Steve Finley, Sporting News All-Stars, Carlos Delgado, Cesar is Torres, Paul Quantrill, manager card of Mike Hargrove, Levinsky, first year, and we can get him apart, and a checklist. So not a whole lot doing in that one. That's alright. Next up, 14 Bowman Draft. Seen some awesome stuff. Seen one guy pulled already. Unfortunately, it expired. Hopefully he gets something Otani redemption from the 18. Pull these paper off the back there. Josh Hart, Chaz Saboka, Ramsey, Blair, Lindgren. Our Chromes is Austin Dakar and Jake Reed. Next up is 15 update. Look for Lindor, Correa, Chris Bryant, Buxton, Gallo. We got Laurie, that guy. Mike Fiers, Shelby Miller, Fernando Valenzuela, no hits the Cardinals. That's a fun card for me. Ramos Ramirez foil. Darren O'Day, All-Star Game. Got Cody Anderson, Phil Klein, rookie combos. Mason Williams, rookie. And Bryce Harper, All-Star Game. All right, next up, 18 Update Series. We're just rolling these in order tonight. Perella, Michael Brantley, Montgomery. Got 2,500th career K. This should be Verlander. Yep. There we go. Got a nice Acuna. Rookie there. Take that. Get a sleeve out. Let's go ahead and sleeve this up. Hope you guys are doing fantastic this week. All right. Got a Shane Bieber rookie card. Rookie card. Dominic Leone, Willie Adames, rookie, Carson Kelly, and a Jordan Hicks rookie for the PC, rookie debut. Next up, 18 high number, Otani, or 19 high number, sorry, Tatis, Vlad, Eloy, Alonso, Swinehart, Markakis, Mejia, Puig. We've got a Chrome of John Duplantier. That's out of $9.99. Oops, there. Pereira, Holland, and Grandal. Nothing too crazy. Nice Chrome rookie. Next up, Topps Chrome. This is 2020. Topps Chrome. Robert Bichette. Jordan. Peralta. It's a nice Tommy Edman for the PC. Nico Horner rookie. Take that. And Laureano. Definitely take the Nico and the Edman. Next up, 2020 Series 1. All know what we're looking for here. Rendon. Yamamoto, rookie. Nicholas. There's a Vladdy Cup card. Beatty. Kimbrel. Brewers. Like father, like son. JT Riddle and Shane Bieber. And 2 more packs. We got Series 2. We're looking for that Robert. Mathis, Bueller, Lugo, Tampa Bay team card, Rockies, Simmons, Hader, There's a gold of Jed Lowry. That'll be out of 2020. 788. Garcia and Trevino. All right, last pack. 2021 Bowman. Let's move the papers to the front. Choi first paper. Austin Hendricks, Alonso, Machado, Garcia, Sanchez, Alvarez, DeGrom. Got a Max Meyer. The Chromes are Asalasi and Dax Fulton. So nothing too crazy. Some good rookies. I mean, obviously the Acuna is fantastic. I don't think I have very many Acuna rookie cards. So, and I'll always take a Cardinals rookie and an Edman and some nice cards. Very nice box, nice pack lineup. Seen some awesome stuff come out. Can't wait to see if anybody gets the boxes, see what they pull. Thank you guys. You guys have a great night.